Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are diving into a long-time review of the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Should you have to upgrade Galaxy A36? Let's find out in this video. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy A35 has a sleek modern look. Glass front and back with plastic frame still look premium on the hand and the build quality is too good. Next up the display, the Samsung Galaxy A35 featuring a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. After a years of use, the display is still a vibrant and sharp as day one. Where I am watching video, scrolling through social media or playing game, the color pop and the contrast is excellent. Now let's talk about the performance. The Galaxy A35 is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. All the apps open quickly and the switching between them is smooth. I have been noticed a slight slowdown when I have too many apps open at once, but it's nothing major. On the software side, the smartphone running is still Android 14 with One UI 6.1, and very soon this smartphone get One UI 7 update with Android 15. Alright, let's talk about the camera. The Galaxy A35 comes with a triple camera setup, a 50 megapixel main sensor and a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel macro shooter. After a year of use, I am still impressed with photo quality. In a good lighting, the main camera captures sharp details photo with the accurate color. The ultra wide lens is a great for landscape pictures and the low light performance also very good. Overall the camera quality is decent. Battery life has been one of the standout features of the Galaxy A35. The 5000 mAh battery easily get me through a full day of use and sometime even into the next day, and the phone support 25-watt wire charging. So would I recommend the Galaxy A35 in 2025? Absolutely. For the price, it offers a lot of value and it holds up really well over the past year. It's not a perfect, but it's a solid mid-range phone that covers all of the basic and then some. If you are looking for a reliable budget-friendly phone, the Galaxy A35 is a great choice for you. Okay, that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.